Fairfax Forward is a new alternative that we are proposing that would replace the area plans review process, which is the way we've been amending our comprehensive plan for several years. We're in the process of going out to communities over the summer month and discussing with them what the process would entail, and we hope by the fall to talk to the Planning Commission and Board of Supervisors to seek their support for the new process. This is our second series of public meetings. In the first set, we asked people what they liked or didn't like about the area plans process. We took that information, did a lot of research, and now we're coming back with some results and ideas. So tonight what we're going to be talking about is this new Fairfax Forward process, and it will involve better community education about what the comprehensive plan is and why it's important, how we'd like to focus the revisions of the comprehensive plan in our activity centers, do a better job of monitoring those plan changes so we can make sure that they align with our adopted policies, and just make sure that the comprehensive plan is more user-friendly, since we're really looking at an age when the web presence is much more important. So we're trying to revise the plan to make it easier for people to use.